Thank you. Ooh. I'm excited.
Where you find that?
At Ulta.
Ulta? You went to Ulta for bread stuff?
Today, and this one is tomorrow. What's good, y'all? It's your favorite Empress. Welcome in if you're new here. I'm LaDanya, but they call me Empress Moxie on this side. And welcome back if you're an OG. I'm going to Cancun in less than 12 hours and I have yet to pack. Okay, so pack with me for my trip. It was kind of an impromptu trip, meaning like it was random. Me and my mom are gonna be traveling together. This is the first time where we're gonna be traveling with just us, because usually I travel with her and my brothers or other family members, but this should be interesting, so let's get into it. I'm trying to pack everything in this carry-on bag right here. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna do it. My friend bought me this backpack and I'm gonna have some packing cubes and different things to help me out since this is just a 4-day trip. Y'all, I bought this thinking it said hand lotion. It says hand sanitizer. Almost done packing. I was trying on some outfits to see how they would look because I do plan to take some content pictures while I'm on the trip. Speaking of pictures, I'm gonna bring along with me this Fujifilm camera, which I'm gonna be using to get the instant photos. I originally bought this in 2019 and I've only used it once on one trip to Jamaica, but I used all the films trying to figure out how to use the camera. And I never re-upped or got new films, so I finally got new films because I told myself this year I would scrapbook, which is a method of collecting memories for traveling or whatever it is you want to have memories of in your life. I got this album, which is for the instant pictures. As you can see, you just put them in here. I'm going to be using this all year forward for anytime I travel, anytime I do anything with people that I love and care about, so I can put it into my little album and have some memories. And I'll continue to re-up on the films. So in this one there are 20, so I can take as many pictures as possible. I'm really excited, so let's finish packing. Not me watching the Powerpuff Girls and having nostalgia, y'all. So remember this kit that I bought from CosRX? I'm gonna be bringing this because I finally have a trip to go to. I'm gonna take them out though. And it comes like this with all of them. This is so clutch though, y'all. I got this at Ulta Beauty, so if you like this type of skincare, CosRX, this is a Korean skincare. It's really good. You could definitely go to Ulta Beauty and get you one. This bag, it keeps on not working out. I want to use this bag so badly. I'm having a hard time because it's like I'm an overpacker. I'm gonna leave this bag specifically, but I'm gonna be using this cube still and using my regular carry-on suitcase. Thank you. Ooh. I got some fish sticks, and this beef thingy and some fruits. Y'all, so we got into the preferred club. Somehow my mom did it on accident, but hey, I'm not complaining because look at where I'm at. Oh, it's so cute out there. Look, y'all, this is gonna be fun. Oh, it is so pretty here. Oh my god, I'm excited. I am excited. My mom's still finishing up over there, but I drank something and I'm a little bit tipsy, so y'all, it's so nice out here. We're doing a tour right now of the whole facility. That's Edward. He's showing us the place. It's really nice. I love it.
Swim up bar.
Huh?
Swim up bar.
A swim up bar. Oh, that's nice.
From 12 to 5.
Look at the beach, y'all. It's so pretty. Oh, I can't wait to go in there. Open our avion.
Here is for the safe. We have that red strip, like the sidewalk. You can walk all the way over there. And to get over there, it takes about 7 minutes.
Wow.
So at night around 7.
It's beautiful. Okay.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
That's a part of our VIP package. Oh yeah, by the way, we're VIP. Yeah, it's giving the mother-daughter trip VIP. Get you one. Oh, I forgot to show y'all the bathroom. I just took my shower, about to do my skincare, but they provide a soap, of course, but I use my own soap. I don't really, you know, I got used to and accustomed to my own products, so I always try to use it consistently, even when I travel. But let's get into the skincare. Busy boy, a busy boy. I'm gonna be doing my skincare now. I just finished my shower. I mean, you really don't need warm water because it's hot outside, so, but there's warm water here. Alright, y'all. The birds are chirping. I didn't do my skincare yet, but I did the lotion part. I don't know what I'm trying to get ready with y'all, but I just am, okay? Woman!
Yeah?
And then I get ready.
Yeah, you done?
Yeah, I'm done. And my mini mouthwash from Thoroughbred. Mommy.
Look at girl.
Young lady. Where did you find this? A Thoroughbred.
Oh, okay. Where you find that?
At Ulta.
Ulta. You went to Ulta for bread stuff? What's the matter with you?
Nothing is wrong with me. I'm fine. To the low. Look at my outfit. The mirror is dirty. There's my mama getting drinks. Did you get Bahama Mama?
Hell no, it's sweeter than honey. Like me. Like my shorts. It's not what we used to at all.
Yeah.
Jeez Louise.
Which one's mine? That or up here?
Whichever one, it doesn't matter.
Thanks. Let me try both of them. There's the other beach. We're at the spa. Okay, so we reserved for a massage and we're gonna take a walk real quick. It's so pretty out here.
Coming out. You see that?
Oh yeah, I love the vegetation. Mommy, so they have it only suckle them when they are Jamaica. This is what we have in Jamaica. It's called honeysuckle, and you just suck the honey at the bottom of it. That's what we used to do when we were kids in Jamaica.
Chicken drive, except they're automatic. Okay?
Yeah,
if you feel like it, one of you can drive the way going and the other way
drive
back.
that.
It's up to you. Okay? It's very easy. They're automatic. It's one of the fun things to do, believe me.
It looks fun, but we don't want to drive it.
Okay?
Yeah.
Somebody can drive for you.
Who gonna drive for me?
One guy over there.
What the hell?
I can call.
Call.
Let
Call
me
Manuel.
Let me call for you.
They got this scammer phone. Yeah, man. We're doing these two. We're gonna do the Catamaran with all these. And then we're gonna do ATV, ziplining, and Cenote. This is today and this one is tomorrow. So we're just paying right now.
Hola, hello, welcome. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Bienvenidas.
Thank you.
Bienvenidas. How was your drive?
It was long.
Long and far, right?
Are we here now, right?
Here we are.
I got the ATVs over there.
You be back?
You'll stay
One
here.
time.
He'll stay.
You'll stay here.
Okay, cool.
I think we're gonna be ending at 5 o'clock.
Y'all, it is hot, but I'm about to change into my swimsuit. We're gonna go into the Cenote, which is a hole that you go to swim. So far, I've done the ATV. I did the zip lining.
And let's go!
Yeah, that was crazy. I was upside down, like literally upside down. They were telling me to open my hands, but I was too scared for that. So then my mom was driving for the ATV. That was pretty fun. It was really bumpy though, and we were going through like nature. But yeah, let me get ready and we're gonna go to the swimming hole over there. There go the life jackets.
We're just gonna take a quick rinse off to protect the water of the cenote, just to wash up chemicals in our skin.
Oh, the lotion?
Yeah.
Oh, may I can this? May I wash off?
Yeah, you wash all.
Lower walking down steps, or we got the bigger jump right here on the top.
No,
All you're gonna do is this. You're only gonna take one big step off front. You don't have to jump forward or take a lot of impulse. This part is deep, yeah. All you're gonna do is take one step and make sure you go straight like this. You can plug your nose. Okay, yeah, we can do
I don't know if I want to jump. Where is it? Oh, there it is. I want to root, did it?
Oh, it's pretty.
Yeah, it's nice. But I'm not jumping in there. It is really pretty. I don't know if I want to swim in this. I can't see nothing.
Hold on to the rope. There's a bat.
Mommy,
You see it?
what the hell?
I just saw.
We're about to jump in the cenote. He's scared. Oh hell no. Ah! What's good? We're done with all the activities now, so we're gonna eat some tacos. Yes. Good morning, it's day number 2 and I'm going to be starting it off by going to the for an early morning massage. So I'm supposed to be changing into my robe and then we're going to go to a pool where we actually prepare our body for the massage. So the massage is a relaxation type of massage and then you got these robes. Oh, this is cute. It's called Dream Spa. Get you a massage, get you one of those. But I'm gonna be taking off this robe that I originally had. It made me look like a queen, you know? Let me show y'all the whole robe. Then we did warm and then a hot tub and then the massage, and it was A+. Everything, loved it. Before we go to the Catamaran though, I'm supposed to wash the oils off from my massage. So this is what the bathroom looked like. It's really cute.
We're gonna show where Jamaicans stay there.
And we'll always check.
We just finished our, what's this called? Little snorkeling activity for the day. And that's day 2. It's a wrap. Our bus is here. We're back at the airport.
So please put away all of your carry-on items, including large electronics like laptops. Be sure that the items that you have placed underneath that seat in front of you do fit completely underneath that seat. Nothing can be blocking your feet or on your lap for takeoff. Ladies, it starts.
You know the background. We're back in Colorado safely, thank God. That was a good 72 hours of adventure, relaxation, all of it. I want to leave a quick review though on the hotel in case there are any of my subscribers who would like to know more about the hotel that I stayed, about excursions I did and things like that. So number one, I stayed at the hotel called Dream Sands in Cancun. I will give it a 7 out of 10. Number one, the hotel is beautiful. The aesthetics are there. They have the best beach. They have the best views. The facilities are clean. The customer service is great. They're very attentive. All of that is there. The only downside is the food. It didn't give that much. Breakfast was fine, but lunch and dinner was overcooked. It wasn't up to par to the other standards. Like, the hotel looks really good as you see in the video. Something is missing in the food, and if they improve that, it will definitely be a 10 out of 10 place to go. But my mom was letting me know that the next hotel, which is also in Cancun, somewhere that she visited previously when she went to Cancun, hotel checks the list for aesthetics, food, everything else, right? Another issue I had with the hotel was the fact that they would hike the prices for the excursions, but as you saw in the video, we went to the streets outside to get excursions for a much lower rate. Food was included, transportation for one of them, and it was just as good of a time compared to what we would have paid for the hotel. They're charging double at the hotel compared to when you buy the excursions on the streets. You just have to be more careful when you're on the streets, and sometimes you might have to find your own transportation to the pickup areas for those excursions, but it was definitely worth it and we had a great time. Really great news, I'm now monetized, meaning that I can make money from my content here on YouTube. So thank you so much to everyone. I mean, every single one of you for liking, commenting, resharing, whatever it is that you have been doing to support. I will be posting pictures from day 1 through 3 of my Cancun trip. And if you're a YouTube supporter, make sure you comment a palm tree emoji under my picture and I will give you a post shout out in my next video. I'm gonna start doing post shout outs to my subscribers and supporters, just so you know that I do see you just like you see me, and you know, we're trying to stay engaged as we build as a community, because you know your girl is now monetized. We're doing it big. So yeah, this past year and a half, it made a huge difference because now we're gonna be getting paid for our content. So I really hope that you will continue to support me, and you can continue to support me by using the like button, the comment section, subscribing, turning on the notifications so you can see when I post new content. Engage with me and let me know what you think about the content, because it's up from here. Like, I want to improve quality, delivery, communication, whatever it is that you're here for, I want to give it to you. So make sure you engage with me. And yeah, we're monetized, so let's get into it. Thank you for joining me in Cancun. I'll see y'all on my next adventure. Bye.